Hi, in this video you are going to see how to make or create the subtitles in the Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Alright, as you can see here, this is the video that I uploaded recently on this channel, and I didn't created any subtitles for this. Make sure once your edit is completed, after that only you start creating the subtitles, because if any errors are there, that's going to be like too much work to edit again and again. And one more tip, if in case you are using any background music that has voice, make sure you disable all those. Only your voice should be on live. To do that, simply click on this mute track option. If you press the shift key and press the M, all the audio tracks will be muted. If you want, you can normally disable or enable it. Next, go to the text panel. If in case you are unable to see this text tab, or panel, go to the window, and from here you need to enable it. As you can see, this is the text panel. So now click on transcribe. Adobe Premiere Pro takes some time to transcribe your video, and this is supported for almost all the major languages. If in case you are targeting the very regional language, then this is not going to be helpful at all. You need to use some other tools to create the subtitles for that. Let's say, for example, I'm talking about in my nearby locality. If you're in South India, you know Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam. So these type of languages are not at all supported in the Premiere Pro. So that's why you need to use another tools to create the subtitles for that text if in case you want to. Since this video is in English, as you can see here, the transcript is ready. So what you need to do is, next step, just go through the video once again. Like, it will show highlights like this. If in case any spelling mistakes or grammar mistakes are there, you can change it. This is a AI tool, so it's not like perfect, like 100% perfect every time. There are some errors. The articulation is going to differ from person to person. The pronunciation for the words is also different from person to person. So on that time, it changes and mismatches some words. So after checking all the script, if in case you want to change any text, just double tap on it so that it will be highlighted like this. Next, you can use the left and right arrow keys to change the text. It's as simple as that. Once you are ready with your script, the next thing you need to do is click on this option, create captions. A new window will be opened like this. Now click on this arrow key. You will see a list of options. You can change these settings. It's not like a rocket science, guys. You can change it accordingly as you like. Don't take too much stress on this. Once it is done, click on create captions. As you can see here, a new track will be created like this. If you highlight all the and go to the properties panel, you can change the font style, position, everything all at one go. And even if you want, you can save this track style as well. Not only that, even you can add the stroke, background, like the creativity is unlimited here. Even if you want, you can change all these into the graphics so that you can animate the text as well. If in case still there are any errors in the, let's say, the text file, highlight that part and you will see under the text panel, double click on it to change the words or grammar mistakes. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how you can make the subtitles in Premiere Pro. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks followed by YouTube growth related videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in the next video.